I'm Frankie and I'm a second year DPhil student in Earth Sciences, and I'm looking at removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere by accelerating a natural process, and this is called enhanced weathering. When I came to the course in my first year, I suppose I was just a bit overwhelmed with the whole scope of a DPhil because it was up to me to form the project, and it's a very long time, 4 years, and I really wanted to be able to just get some direction and learn some skills that could give me that direction. I was also always a bit nervous about public speaking, so I really wanted to nail that and just be able to not be nervous about standing in front of an audience. I think I'm just a lot more relaxed about the future. I think the session where we looked at our CV and you sort of described it in a structured way allowed me to identify the holes in my CV where I could build on. So I sort of now see my DPhil as not only a chance to do really interesting science, but a chance to sort of fill in those gaps so that when I do leave the DPhil, whether it's to pursue academia or into the world of work, I've got a complete CV and I'll be very employable. So yeah, I suppose I'm just more relaxed about everything now.